Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Monday, February 5th, 2024. So market kind of like play somewhat kind of expected, and it tested 49.50 and then keep kind of tumbling down, went all the way down to 49.20, and it almost tried to kind of get to 49.15. But from there, it reverted back and it's almost kind of unimaginable. It climbed back all the way almost to the opening. And so apparently after 3 o'clock, the volatility kicked in and the market kind of flushed down and eventually it closed at 49, 42, and 81. So at the bigger scale, it actually closed in the middle. If we look at the low of the Friday and the high of today of Friday, and it closed right around that middle spot. So what this is going to imply to go from here? Well, it has all the ability to close above 49.15. However, it closed below 49.45. Apparently, the bull lost control at the end of the close. I mean, at the end of the day. And what I see is that the immediate support is 49.40, and likelihood overnight market will challenge that 49.50 level again, and I won't be surprised it went below 49.40, but most likely it will be staying between 49.35 and 49.55. The narrow range will be more like 49.50 and 49.40. We shall see what this is going to play out, and I believe the overnight is going to be pretty choppy, maybe just chopping around and trying to find a direction. And so in terms of tomorrow, if say the market went below 49.35, it could likely continue to go down and trying to challenge 49.15 again. On the other hand, if say it could went above 49.55, then likely it will try to kind of challenge the top. So we shall see it will challenge 49.70 and even 49.75, could go all the way up to 49.80. So in terms of the important level, that's what I see going to play out tomorrow. So for sure, 49.50 continue to be a very, very important level, and it could be a magnetic overnight and also at the opening tomorrow. So that could be, and then we'll make a market should make a decision and pick a direction, go from there, either going upside or going to the downside. Hopefully, it's kind of a more simple play tomorrow. Meanwhile, it could continue to be pretty muddy tomorrow if we say it's continue to stay below 49.50 and 49.55. So that's how I see it. And mapping over to the future, I kind of mark down all these different corresponding level, and overnight, correspondingly, it should most likely it will be fluctuating between 49.54 and 49.69. So we should see that where it's going to go from from overnight, and market should be able to reveal its structure more clearly before the open tomorrow. Maybe you have to kind of and like most of the time it should lay out the structure pretty clearly, and then we'll let the opening to see how things go, and then we'll pick a direction from there. Um, that's all I wanted to share in terms of the important level, and in terms of like, the economic calendar. So tomorrow the earliest one is the red book year over year that's get released at 8:55. So we may see some pretty big action from there, and then that could set the stage for the opening. And then at 10 o'clock there is an economic optimism index, and then 11 o'clock have the total household debt. The making the market probably challenging tomorrow is that there are several Fed speakers. First one is at 12 o'clock. It's a Fed master speech, and then at 1 o'clock another Fed speech from Fed Curry, and then 1 o'clock also have Treasury note auction, and then 2 o'clock that's another Fed speech from Fed Collins. So that's a lot. So probably not going to be easy tomorrow, and likelihood could be market could be continue to chop, and very difficult to take any positions. And meanwhile, this Fed speech depends on how markets are expecting, and or probably disregard all what they are saying. Then market may just don't care, just go one direction. Um, I'm pretty open to it, and just see how it's going to unfold. Good luck to everyone. Happy trading.